everybody. Welcome to Mike and May's Great Adventure.
Morning, guys.
Good morning. So,
Surprise when we got early.
yeah, well, it wasn't too much of a surprise. We ran last night. We were racing this all day yesterday. We got down to Glade Spring, Virginia. It started snowing, plow trucks were out running all over, and it was good timing because that's where we wanted to get to, was Glade Spring for the day and shut down. So
we are lucky, right? Because the snow started last night. we just parked.
Yeah, literally just parked.
Yeah.
And it started snowing like crazy, so
there's a little snow right now. There's a little snow.
Yeah, just a real fine,
and then
fine snow.
Yeah.
But what a difference! About a half hour before we got to the truck stop, it was 50 degrees. Got to the truck stop, it was 43 degrees. Like I said, the weather started turning.
Yeah.
And I woke up this morning, it was 18 degrees, it's 24 now. But I looked at the weather for the whole day, it's not really supposed to warm up the whole way across for us. I checked Nashville, I checked Memphis, Little Rock. I think the warmest it's going to be, any of them, is maybe 40 degrees.
In my side, honey, is very clear. You can see in the video.
Yeah, you guys notice anything out in May's windshield? You don't see
no more crack guy.
No big goonie.
We have new windshield.
And you get my annual inspections. We ran that window for a year. Sorry about that, guys.
This one is still out, honey.
Oh, okay.
All you have to do is stick there, right?
I guess. Put it back up there. I don't even know what that does, to be honest.
I don't know.
Yeah, so we had to get our annual inspection. And of course that meant a windshield. We ran a whole year with that windshield like that. It happened the second day we had the truck. So I told May we're getting our money's worth out of it. I'm not getting it changed right away.
Yeah.
So we're headed to California. Hopefully when it gets daylight, you'll have some good scenery to show you with the snow and the trees. Alrighty, guys. So we started this at the beginning of the day.
Yes, we are here in Arkansas.
Yeah. What a day.
Finally, we made it.
I was hoping the place I wanted to get to, we would have had 816 miles today. But we got to Nashville. The roads were pretty bad. There were wrecks from last night all over the place in the median strip. And tow trucks were trying to pull them out, so traffic was slow. Happy Pappy or anyone else that drives would know, to make 800 miles in one day, it's got to be right. You got to average 73 miles an hour for 11 hours. And you can come out at, I think that works out to 803. So we didn't make it. We're going to end up at about 730 miles.
Yeah.
And the thing that sucks is we could almost make it, but we're between truck stops. So if we go for it to get to where we wanted to and I can't get there, we're screwed because there's nowhere else to go and I'm out of time. And it would have been down to the minute. I would have had to make up some time. If we'd hit a slow down anywhere, even for a minute, we wouldn't have made it. So we're just going to stop at the 730 mile mark. It's 9 hours and 45 minutes to go 730 miles, so that's not too bad. Can you show them the hood of the truck, hon?
What?
Show them the hood. Look at all that salt. I mean, it was...
Early guy here, you can even see it. And also in my side and his side.
Yeah, we cleaned the windows. We got some fuel and cleaned the windows. But yeah, it was some. What was that? About 30 miles on 40 miles.
Yeah.
It was pretty bad.
Probably this truck it need a bath.
And hopefully we can get it a bath before California. But all right, guys. So we failed at our 800 plus mile a day, but we put enough miles on it. If we can duplicate this tomorrow, get this many miles, we'll be in good shape to get the Barstow on Sunday, and then Monday we deliver. Anything you want to add there, sweetheart?
Yep.
What do you want to add?
And
Oh. Okay.
that's me.
All right, everybody. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time.
Take care. Bye.
Later.